Good morning. First of all, thank you for sending me out here with this creepy ass guy. I'm so scared.
Right, what's his face look like?
It's all bloody. He has like stuff hanging out of his face, like skin, and his clothes is all bloody, and he's just staring me down right now. I'm freaking out. I actually nominated this person. It's my best friend, Sam, because I think it's time for a little revenge. And she's always forced me to go to scary movies, to go to these haunted houses, and you guys know I hate it. So now it's time for some payback. He texted me last night, and he was like, hey, Sam doesn't want to put on a bra to go to sleep. And I'm like, that's fine, dude, as long as she has a shirt on.
They're walking up.
Oh.
We're walking upstairs. We're about to open the door. Oh, my God, I'm so scared, guys. We're about to walk in. Door is open. We're walking. Oh, my gosh.
Happy Halloween!
I hate you.
What?
I said I hate you.
Good morning. Somebody wants to talk to you. Here.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
Suzette wanted to wake you up just to kick off our Halloween season. Good morning.
I hate her so much right now.
Is your whole body vibrating?
Like my whole body, my heart is out of my chest. I hate her so
Oh, what?
so much. I hate you.
She was like,
Well, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, Bessie.
Yeah, I hate Halloween.